So I'll show you about Honda Pilot and where the fuse location is. Also OBD port location as well. And first thing I'll show you is the OBD port location. It's right under the steering wheel, right in here, driver's side. So the first fuse box location is going to be also under the steering wheel, and to see it, it's right under, right here. There's no cover or anything. Right in here. And the location of what's what is on this side. And to get to the second one, we're gonna open the hood. This is the latch to hold the hood. So the second fuse box location is right in here. To open it, there's a knob here, and knob here, and you just pull it out, and voila. And instructions are right here of which one's where, and a spare fuses right here, and also the tool to take the fuses out. Here, I'll show you how to do that. Just pull this one out. See, when you press it, the thing squeezes in, and then you pull it. So yeah, let's say if I want to take this one out, for example this 15, you just go like this, lean against it like that, and then squeeze this, and then it goes up just like that. And then to put it back in, also you hold it like that and push it in. And that's how you take it out with this tool. Somebody asked me before how to use this tool, and this is how you use it. To put it back in, you just find that spot, there you go. Close it, you just line it up and press on it here. Make sure it goes in both ways, so when you pull it, it doesn't pull. And there's more fuse boxes on this car. If I remember correctly, it was 5. At least for the old one, it was 5. Somewhat 4 or 5. For this new one, might be less, might be same. So the third one will be right in here. To open it, there's 3. 1, 2, 3. Press on this one, that one, and this one. That comes out. And the location is right here. These are the fuses. Put it back in. Just line it up. Make sure all of them are good. I believe there's supposed to be another one, but it's more like a relay box, and I don't see it anywhere, unless it's somewhere hidden, or it might be inside. But that's all I can see for this one right now. If you know more under the hood, just comment below. So let's close the hood. Just like this.